In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted board in Microsoft Whiteboard. First, a quick reality check so you know what's actually possible. Whiteboard behaves differently depending on the type of account you use. With a personal Microsoft account, there's no built-in trash bin or restore option inside Whiteboard. When you delete a board from the home screen or board picker, it's removed and there isn't an in-app way to bring it back. Whiteboards do save automatically while you're working, but once you delete one on a personal account, it's gone unless you had a separate backup elsewhere. If that's your situation, the best move is prevention going forward. Avoid deleting boards you might need later, and consider periodically exporting important boards as images or PDFs, or making a duplicate before major changes. Now, if you're using Whiteboard with a business or education account, you may have better options. These accounts typically store Whiteboard files in OneDrive for Business, and that means you can sometimes recover a deleted board from the OneDrive recycle bin. Open OneDrive for Business in your browser and look for a folder named Whiteboards. If you don't immediately see what you need, head to the recycle bin in OneDrive. Deleted.whiteboard files often land there for a limited time, depending on your organization's retention settings. If the file is listed, select it and choose Restore. After restoring, give it a moment to sync. Your board should reappear in Whiteboard just like any other file restored from OneDrive. If you can't find it in the recycle bin, there is still a possibility within some organizations. Many Microsoft 365 tenants use retention policies or backups configured through SharePoint or OneDrive admin settings or their compliance center. In that case, contact your Microsoft 365 administrator as soon as you realize the board is missing. If the deletion was recent and your organization has the right policies enabled, an admin may be able to recover the file for you. To recap, personal accounts don't have a restore path inside Whiteboard, and recovery isn't available unless you had your own backup. Business and education accounts should check OneDrive for Business, especially the Whiteboards folder and the recycle bin, and act within the retention window. If it's not there, escalate to your Microsoft 365 admin to see whether organizational backups or retention policies can help. I hope this clarifies what you can do and where to look. Move quickly, check OneDrive first if you're on a work or school account, and consider regular exports or copies for critical boards so you're protected in the future.